Meet John. He wants to promote his website but is losing money on paid advertisements. His marketing expenses are rising and he's starting to feel lost, inexperienced, and frustrated. Fortunately, he's discovered Triple Threat. John signs up for Phase 1 by paying the $10 monthly subscription and is instantly provided with hundreds of informational ebooks, articles, and videos on some of the most up-to-date proven marketing techniques. Every month, Triple Threat updates these digital products to make sure John is keeping up with the rapidly evolving marketing world. After reading up on some of the latest trends, John discovers the Facebook Auto Poster tool on the site. This tool will allow him to automatically post marketing material to groups and pages on Facebook. That means that John can continue his marketing campaign while sitting by the pool or hanging out with friends. So impressed by John's newly found marketing knowledge, his friends Jason and Abby decide they want to join the Triple Threat team. Because John referred them, he gets to keep half of their $10 subscription fee every 4 weeks. John starts earning $2.50 in commissions every 2 weeks for each of his referrals. As long as Jason and Abby stay subscribed, John's monthly subscription will be paid for. He realizes that if he refers more people, he will start earning additional residual income. John wants to take his marketing even further, so he decides to enter Phase 2 by purchasing an ad pack. An ad pack includes banner ad and website ad credits, which can then be used to post John's ads in the Triple Threat Business Directory. Because members are required to surf at least 10 listings a day, John will start receiving traffic immediately. Ad packs are available for $3, $7, $15, $30, and $50. The amount of banner ad credits in each ad pack is dependent on which of the 5 tiers John is in. Each tier provides John with an increasing level of profit from ad pack revenue. Because Triple Threat is focused on helping its members achieve their marketing goals, they share their ad pack revenue with John and the rest of the members. As long as Triple Threat has received sales for the period, John will receive some of this revenue every day. This is done automatically and will continue until the ad packs mature at their respective level. Given his marketing success with Phase 1 and 2, John decides to join Phase 3 by buying some solo ad credits for $25. The solo ad credits will allow John to send email-based marketing material to Triple Threat's expanding network of members. Each solo ad credit enters members into the referral commission line. Every 3 new solo ads purchased will pay out $50 in commissions for solo ads purchased earlier by other members. All John has to do is wait his turn and promote our products to keep the line moving. All members contribute to John's commission earnings. To help keep moving the line, 25% will be put back into John's repurchase wallet. In order to give everybody an opportunity to earn, John will only be allowed to purchase 3 solo ads per day. By joining Triple Threat, John has drastically cut his marketing expenses. As long as he continues to promote Triple Threat and refer users, not only will he increase his website traffic through the Facebook poster, banner ads, and solo ads, but he will earn residual income through referral bonuses, ad pack revenue, and the referral commission line. So if you are ready to take your marketing to the next level like John, please read the FAQs, then click on Subscribe Now button to go through the checkout process and receive instant access.